Hi, and welcome to another episode of Branding Tips Tuesday. Today, someone asked me, what does your business name mean? 38th and Kip. And I'm always delighted when people ask me what my business name means because your business name and your logo are an opportunity to tell your story. They should never be a flat component to your organization. They should have some sense of abstraction to them, something that leaves the audience wanting to know a little bit more about you, almost like peeling back the layers of an onion. So I told them that 38th and KIP stands for the crossroads where my firm was rebranded back in 2020, 38th and Kipling, which is just outside of Denver. And it stands for the sense of community and purpose that I try to incorporate throughout all of my business work. And part of my business ethics is to be a part of the community and work with purpose driven companies. So there's a lot more that goes into it. But the key point I'm trying to make is that it tells a story. It allows you an opportunity to talk about your values and give an elevator pitch, if you will. So this is one of the problems if you were to hire an, an amateur designer or an amateur brand strategist to work with you, especially ones that are very cheap that you can find on Fiverr, is that they don't think about the story behind your logo. It's merely, well, what color do you like? Oh, I like red. Oh, okay, what's your favorite animal? Okay, a fox. Okay, here's a logo of a red fox. The problem with that is that it's shallow and it doesn't really represent anything besides what you like, which really doesn't mean anything to your customers. They don't care what your favorite color is. So the key is to really think about your logo and your company name as part of your story and your narrative that you want to be proud to explain to your audience when they ask you. That's all for today. Take it easy.